Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HB Air Coolic, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable cooling or humidity on this device. To do that, remember, firstly you should install water in your water tank. To do that, wait a while, you can firstly, you should disable your Air Coolic device. Then open the tank, and here as you can see I have the water, and you can fill it up to max level. Okay. Close it. Of course, you can locate here your ice packs. And of course, when it's cold, so firstly you should put it on your freezer. Then when it will be completely iced, so you need to put it here and then close it, lock it, and afterwards click enable and click cooling. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.